Okay, let's talk about number 14 just a little bit more, okay? In the previous video, maybe like you are unhappy with like all the really complicated way to solve the problem, right? So, but like there is really fundamental way to solve the problem using the fundamental matrix, okay? But like for this semester, we're gonna use only 2 by 2 matrix. So which means without fundamental matrix, we can solve the like system of differential equation, okay, in a matrix form, okay. Let me show you how we can do. Okay, it's really simple and it's exactly the same process with previous study, okay. So let's start from the fundamental set of solution, okay. And we found eigenvalue and eigenvector. Then we get a two fundamental set of solutions, which is u1 minus 2 e to the minus t minus t times cosine 2t. And the second one is 2 minus t sine 2t. The second component is this guy. That's what we found from the like eigenvalue and eigenvector in the previous video, right? Then now, well, since we know like u1 and u2 form the fundamental set of solution, then we don't have to like we can set like fundamental matrix, but without that we can find the solution of this differential equation, right? How can I do it? That's really simple. Just like we can say your solution vector is the linear combination of what u1 and right, then which is equal to c1 times negative 2 e to the minus t sine 2t and cosine 2t plus c2 times sine 2t sine t. And now we're going to use the given initial condition, right? And plug in 0 into t, then basically like sine function equals 0 and cosine equals 1, and all the exponential part e to the minus t and e to the minus t's will be 1, right? Then by plugging 0, then your x0 is, let me look at that, sine is 0, and like for the first row we're gonna have 2 c2 only, okay. The second row c1 only, right? Must be equal to 3n. Then I can say your c1 is 1 and c2 is 3 over 2. Then just plug it back. Then we can complete this problem. Xt is equal to e to the minus t sine 2t. Let me combine at the same time, okay? And c2 is 3 over 2, which is plus 3 e to the minus t sine 2t. And second row is e to the minus t sine 2t. And your c2 is 3 over 2 e to the minus t sine 2t. Right? Let me double check about that. That's it, right? So like we can do like this way, but again, like since this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is fine. But your matrix is really big size, like for later purpose. Okay, I don't know you like I don't know you're gonna study more about like this kind of like in the system of differential equation, but like whenever you have chance to study this one with big size, the fundamental matrix is really necessary, needed. Okay, but like for 2 by 2, we just simply like complete this problem this way. Okay, this problem like this way. Okay, that's it.